Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Surface area.
What does the dictionary say?
The total area of the surface of a three-dimensional object.
Math rap.
The surface area is when you measure all the surfaces of a 3D object together. So if an object has got 6 sides like a cube, all those areas together must be added and grouped.
Math rap.
Explain surface area in your own words. What are your thoughts on surface area? Grab a ruler and get ready to measure. Make a chart of the objects below. Measure their total surface area in centimeters or inches, your choice. 4 objects, a box of tissues, a microwave, a shoebox, and an ice cube. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!